Today we're going to be injecting some exosomes into the scalp for regeneration of hair for male pattern baldness. So this is actually a newer approach that goes beyond platelet-rich plasma, and it requires less injections. So typically we would require, if you were doing platelet-rich plasma, on average 4 injections of platelet-rich plasma spaced 1 every 4 weeks over a series of, say, those 4 injections, and then you would have to repeat that every 6 months thereafter. With exosomes, you would do typically 1 injection, and then you would only do that injection once per year. So it's much less invasive in terms of the frequency of injections. The donor is an autologous donor from one manufacturer, which is Direct Biologics. We use the ExoFlo product. So the patient is not required to actually take an intravenous injection. So there's no donation of blood product. And it's a very consistent product, so you know what you're getting each time. And so 1 injection once yearly, and you get a much better yield. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do the same injection. We're going to actually start back here in the posterior scalp, and then we're going to move to the frontal where he's having some recession here. So let's get started. As you can see, we mix the ExoFlo product with sterile water. We use ice for comfort. And then for aftercare, really, the only aftercare is having the patient then go home and take a really hot shower, massaging the scalp to get that product just really spread diffusely. So with male pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia, you typically see loss at the posterior vertex or the posterior crown, and then also the recession at the frontal scalp. And then with females, it's usually just kind of a thinning throughout the vertex, or kind of a widening of the hair part. And they usually keep their frontal pretty much intact.